This is why your YouTube channel is stuck at 200 views. 99% creators quit YouTube before even reaching 1000 subscribers. But do you know why? It's not because they are bad at content, it's because they never understand the YouTube game. You might be making the same mistakes without even realizing. So, in this video, I will tell you the real reasons why most creators fail and how you can be in that 1% who actually win. Part 1. The illusion of overnight success. Most people start YouTube thinking one viral video and boom, life will change. But here's a fact, according to TubeBuddy stats, over 90% of creators upload less than 10 videos before giving up. नहीं समझे? चलो समझाती हूँ. As for example, remember Mr. Beast? He uploaded 100 plus videos before even getting 1000 views. We fall for the highlight reels, seeing others' success, but not their silent crying behind the screen. What if I told you the YouTube algorithm actually rewards consistency, not virality? Part 2. The wrong focus trap. Most creators focus on views, not value. They chase trends but forget to build trust. As for example, suppose you make one trending shot, it gets 1 million views. You feel successful, but next time you post something real, it gets 200 views. Why? Because your audience came for trend, not you. If you are thinking I am a noob and how can I give you so much gyan by uploading just 2 videos in YouTube, then you are wrong. I have another channel where I uploaded near about 1000 videos, but only one video goes viral with 8.1 million views, you can see. And like you, I also thought my channel will get monetized, but no, there is a twist, guys. After some months, my subscriber becoming less, and you can see I lose 29 subscriber in just 28 days and over 60 subscriber over 2 months. Do you ever face same situations? Then comment down below. And if you want to know the solution of this problem, then keep it watching till the end. The algorithm misunderstanding. Most people blame the algorithm, but the truth is the algorithm follows the audience. It's not YouTube that's ignoring your video, it's your viewers. Like, YouTube doesn't push a bad thumbnail, it pushes what people click. That's why CTR, that means click-through rate, matters more than the title itself. Think like a viewer, not a creator. Before uploading, ask yourself first, would I click this if it wasn't mine? If you can't watching your video till the end, then how will people do? Did you know the algorithm changes every minute based on the viewer behavior? That means YouTube isn't your enemy, it's your mirror. Part 4. The motivation burnout. At the start, motivation is high. After 10 videos, silence. Why? Because people don't build a system. They rely on mood. Like one creator I know uploaded 7 shorts, each under 1k views. Then she paused for 3 months. But when she come back with a consistent schedule, her 8th video hit 100k. Reality check. In a YouTube survey, 75% of creators who upload once a week for 6 months straight see at least 2x view growth. Consistency beats luck always. So the real question is, do you have the patience for 100 boring videos before the one that changes everything? Part 5. No brand, no direction. Another reason 99% fail, they have no niche clarity. Today, art, tomorrow vlog, next week tech. YouTube can't understand who you are, and neither can your viewers. As for example, think of channels like Bhuvan Bam, PS Rathore. Their niche is so crystal clear. You see one video and you instantly know what to expect next. Stick to one core theme for at least 50 videos. Then expand, first master, then mix. The truth is, YT doesn't fail people. People fail YT. By quitting too early, by comparing too often, and by expecting too much too soon. If you are watching this till now, you are already not in that 99%. Because you stayed curious, you have what 99% don't, that is patience. So before you quit, remember your next video could be the one that changes your life. Subscribe if you are ready to stay in the 1%. Bye bye.